Now students will see question 15, 16, 17 and 18. So question 15 says Garima buys 4,500 marbles. Who buys? Garima buys. How many? 4,500. What buys? Marbles. Okay, so Garima buys 4,500 marbles. Okay, she gives 2,000 marble to Ankush. Okay, she has given 2,000 marbles to Ankush and buys 250 more. How many marbles does she has now? So the marbles that she has given, will reduce that, will subtract it, and the marbles she has bought more, will add that. Then we'll get what, how much marble she has now. So let's uh, solve this question. So question 5th A. Okay, so initial initial means starting. Initial marbles Garima has is equal to 4,500. Okay, and marbles marbles given to Ankush is 2,000. Okay students, and marbles purchased. So how many marbles she purchased? She purchased 250. And what we have to do? We have to find how many marbles she has. Marbles she has now. We have to calculate that. So what we'll do, to find the marbles she has now, we will add this number, starting number, and we'll reduce that number that she has given, and we'll add that number that she has purchased. So our answer will be, what we'll do, let's first add those number which she has. So 4,500 plus 250, it will be 207.50 minus it will be 2,000. Okay, we have added all the marbles she has 4,500 marbles, she has 250 marbles, so she has 4,750, but she has given also, so we will reduce that. So when we will reduce that number, 4,750 and 2,000, our answer will be 2,750. This much marble she has now. So this is our answer. Okay students, now question 15b. Question 15b says, if Garima gets 1,275 more marbles from her friends Priyanka, find the number of marbles she has and the end. Okay, so initial marbles means marbles that she has in starting is 4,500. 4,500 marbles she has in starting, and marbles she got from Priyanka. Okay, how many marbles she got from Priyanka? 1,275. What we have to find? We have to find marbles in the end. We have to find. Okay, so she has this much marbles in starting, and this she got again marbles. So what we'll do, we'll just add this number. So we'll write here marbles in the end, and what we'll do, we'll just add these two numbers. Okay, so our answer is 5,775. this is our answer. For in question 16 you have to also add in question 16 what you need to do is, let's first read the question. Find the sum of 45,276 and 4,35,723. Now we need to add these two numbers and we have to tell is are their sums same. Okay, so students, when you will add 5 plus 2 or you will add 2 plus 7, 2 plus 5, both are same number. Okay, either you add 5 to 2 or you add 2 to 5, both are same number. In both the condition you will get 7. Similarly, when you will get when you will add this and this and this and this, you will get the same number because these both are same number. You can see that here 4 5 2 7 6, 4 5 2 7 6, 4 3 5 7 2 3, 4 3 5 7 2 3, same numbers. So let's do that. What we need to do, we need to add these two numbers. So 4 5 2 7 6 and 4 3 5 7 2 3. Okay, here we will also add that number 4 3 5 7 2 3 plus 6 7 2 5 4. So let's do that. 6 plus 3 9, 9, here also 9, 10, carry forward 1, 5 plus 3 8 and it will be 480, 999. Here 9 9 9 0, carry forward 1, 8 and 4. So yes, both the answers are same. So we'll write here, what we'll write here is the same, is the sum same. So we'll write yes, yes, both the sum are same. So this is our answer, students. Okay, I have written this line just to explain you. For example, okay, I have written this line for example. Here this is your actual answer. You have to write question and answer in your copy. Now let's go to question number 17. Question 17 says 22,052 students from New Delhi went on summer vacation. At the same time, 45,234 students from Mumbai went to summer vacation. Calculate the total number of we have to calculate total number of students. So what we'll do, we'll just add these two numbers. Okay, how many students went to vacation? So first you'll write student went to vacation from Delhi, the right number. Then you write students went from Mumbai, you write the number, and then you write total number and add these two numbers. You just have to do the addition. Okay, this is this 2.n, this 2.1 is all about addition. Okay, then question 18. In question 18, here from Delhi to New York routes are given. Delhi to Paris is this much kilometer, then Paris to London is this much kilometer, and this London to New York is this much kilometer. Okay, here you can see, then here you can see different statues here. So what you need to do is you just need to add these numbers. Okay, then you'll find the when you'll find Delhi to New York distance, you need to add these three numbers. Okay, I'm not doing this, you have to do that. You just have to do the addition. Okay, first write Delhi to Paris distance, then write Paris to London distance, then you write London to New York distance, and to find the total distance you just add these three numbers, you will get the answer. Okay, this is your homework, and this is also your homework. Okay, 17.